Hello guys, welcome to the first year physics lab at UNSW, and as always when you enter a lab space we need to set a couple of rules and you need to sit through a safety induction. So please listen to what I explain and please do the test afterwards. You need to pass it so that you are able to access all the rest exercises and all the material that is available for you online to be used in conjunction with your lab course. So let me please point out the lab rules first. We've got 5 rules. The first rule for the lab is that you need to wear enclosed footwear. That means you need to have shoes that completely cover the whole foot and also potentially go up to your ankle. You can't wear ballerinas, you can't wear thongs or any sort of that stuff. You need to wear proper sneakers or something similar. The second rule that applies to the lab space: if any spills, the only liquid we use in the lab is water. If any spills of water occur, you please go over to the sink, get some paper towels and mop up the water spills immediately. We can't do it after the experiment is finished, and you definitely can't leave it like this and just leave the lab space. Here we go. The third rule for the lab is that you please don't run in the lab, because we've got so much equipment standing around, students standing around, bags and stools everywhere. So if you start running, the potential that you actually might injure yourself or others is really high. So please don't run in the lab space, even if you're pressed for time. The fourth rule that applies to the lab space is you can't drink or eat inside the lab, because it's officially qualified as a lab. Even so we don't have any toxic chemicals or something like that, you please still can't eat or drink, because in any lab space you shouldn't drink or eat. So if you want to have a sip of water or something like that, please take your bag, including your water bottle, take it outside the lab space, drink something, put it back into your bag, and then please come back into the lab. So please don't do that inside the lab. And the fifth and last rule is that you please should use the bag space provided for you underneath the desk to actually store your bags safely, because if you just drop them on the floor, due to the fact that there is not a lot of space between the desks, people might actually trip or fall. So please put your bags away.